YouTube. Back with another video, real quick video, because for about 4 months I've been trying to figure out what the fuck's going on with my stator leaking, and I finally figured out what it is. I'm pretty sure some other guys probably had the same problem, but it's literally a little tiny, the littlest thing that I last thought of, and that's what the fuck it was. I'm gonna go through and I'm gonna go ahead and show you what it is. I didn't take it apart again because I already got it back together, and if I take the stator off, the gasket, I'm gonna have to replace all that crap again. So I'm not gonna take it apart, but I am gonna show you exactly what I did, walk you through what I did, and hopefully it can help somebody. Little voice, my little girl's here. So stator right here, I kept having leaking, and I kept thinking it was down here in the bottom, and I went through and checked everything. The stator wasn't cracked. Make sure you check that. Make sure your stator isn't cracked. Make sure you didn't over tighten the bolts. No. Over tighten the bolts or anything like that and cracked anything. Now if you go through your list and make sure everything's straight. And the only time mine would leak is when I would literally get on the bike, like if I'm riding it. Like if I leave it sitting here, it would never leak. So you had to be riding the bike, pressure, and then it would leak. So I couldn't never figure out where the hell the leak was coming from. Stop. And so finally figured it out. The leak was literally coming from the little rubber grommet right here that your pretty much the stator electricals are attached to. And this little rubber piece is supposed to be tight in there and not wiggle. Well, mine would wiggle and it had too much space. Therefore, everybody knows that when you take your stator off, it has a little bit of oil in there anyway. But mine would spray out because this would let oil pass through. So I finally figured that out, and we've got it fixed now. So I'm gonna tell you exactly what I did to get the damn thing fixed. Took everything off. Took the stator off. I had used gasket maker to try to, because I thought the gasket was shit. So I replaced that, and it was still doing, the leaking. So bought a brand new gasket. Buy you a brand new gasket from eBay, Suzuki, whatever, and it might run you anywhere from $8 to $15. $8 to $15 for that. And then take the stator off, take the electricals out of the stator, undo everything, clean it up really good. You lift up the tank, clean down in there, clean on the outside, clean all that with brake cleaner, make sure it's all free of oil. Therefore, when you put it back together and you ride it, and if any oil sprays anywhere, you'll know exactly where it's coming from, and you can try to, if that doesn't fix it, you go from there. Because it could be something else, and it might not be from your stator. It might be, but mine from the stator, and I knew for sure that's where it was coming from. So it should be able to help somebody else with the same damn problem. Appreciate it. Ice and Gardens out. Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. Thank all y'all for subscribing, all the new people. I've gotten a lot of new subscribers, and I appreciate y'all for hitting that subscribe button. Appreciate it.